Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo phone guys factory reset setting. Once you want to factory reset, you want to erase all data on your device. So friends, how to erase all data, how to factory reset one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile and how to factory reset, how to erase all data on iqoo mobile. Friends, click here system setting. Second last option friends, system setting, click here. Friends, you can see this type interface, so friends scroll it. Friends, click here reset option. Friends, you want to reset your network setting, so friends click here reset setting. Again click here and guys your setting will reset. Your network setting, mobile network, Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth network setting will reset. So friends click here factory data, erase all data, factory reset, click here. So friends, you can see this will erase all data on your phone. Internal storage including your Google account, download apps, photos, music, system app and data setting. You and friends, other user data will also delete. Your contacts, phone calls, everything will delete on your device. So friends, you want to delete, you want to erase, friends click here erase option and you can use your all data on your device. And then before erase friends, you have important photos, video, music, app. So when nearby device friends, you can share your file. Friends, you have Google file, so you can share. Friends, you have share me app, share karo light app, so you can use it. So friends, send your apps, photos, music, videos, documents, audio and other data user friends, send into any device. And friends, after send friends, you can erase all data on a device. From here click here erase all data. Friends, I don't want to use, I just told you. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.